Hey y'all, today we're going to be making this clementine paper flower tutorial. And this is a small paper flower design of mine that you can use for bouquets, or if you want to use a small filler flower, it works really great as well for that. You're going to want 65-pound cardstock, a glue gun, scissors or cutting machine, my paper blooms shaping tool set, which is optional, pearls for the center, and the templates, which are linked below this video. You will need to cut the following number of petals, 2 of the larger base petals and 2 of the center petals. You can hand cut using the printable PDFs if you're up for it. I do recommend using a cutting machine because this is a slightly more intricate small design, and I love to use the Cricut cutting machine. My cutting machine measurements are in the description below this video as well. So I've got my petals cut out and ready to go, and this is what the flower is going to look like once we get it assembled here. And I am going to be using my Paper Blooms shaping mat and tool set. This is a manufactured product of mine, and you can find it below this video if you're interested. Otherwise, you can just use your fingers to fold the petals upwards. If you're using the mat and tool set or something similar, you can roll the center of these flowers and it will help the petals to stand up and add 3D dimension to the flower. Like I said, if you do not have this or do not wish to purchase, then just gently use your fingers to fold the petals up so that you achieve that 3-dimensional look rather than a flat flower. So that's what I'm doing here with these 2 bottom cuts, is just working with getting the petals to stand up. You can see how I'm using my fingers here. If you don't have this or don't wish to purchase it, you can also take that option as well. I'm going to do the same thing with the center petals as well. I'm going to use the smaller side of my tool to get a deeper fold to the petals for the center ones. And this is a really simple flower, so it doesn't take much time to do. The next step is going to be to add a little bit of glue to one of the center petals and to place it on top the other center petal. When you're placing it, try to make sure that you're alternating the petals so they are not directly stacked and it looks more like it's blooming. You're going to repeat the same thing with the base petals. Add some glue to the back side of one of them and place it over the top of the other one. Again, try and alternate so that they are not directly stacked and it looks more full and like it's blooming. You can use your fingers to kind of press it up to make sure that it's looking very 3-dimensional and it's not looking flat or anything like that. I am using some small pearls for the very center of my flower. This is optional. You can leave it bare if you want, or you can use something else if you prefer. I'm just adding a small dot of glue to the back of one of these blue pearls, and I'm placing it into the center of the flower. Once I've done that, the last step is just to add glue to the back side of that center and place it into the middle. You can see how quick and easy this flower is, and it's really pretty and cute and can be used for a wide variety of things. I like to use these on my backdrops as well, my big backdrop flowers, if I want to have some smaller ones for space fillers, so that's really great as well. You can make them in different sizes if you're using a cutting machine. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Find craft freebies on abbeykirstencollections.com or shop this special template on catchingcolorflies.com.